Hello there! Do you want to learn how to combine the reverse proxy and file server directives in Caddy? In this guide, we will learn exactly that. We will start with an example use case and then learn how to do it. So let's dive right in. I encountered the use case on my own website. I wanted to create a landing page for courses, but still host them under the same domain, so programnote.com. My website itself is using WordPress and Caddy as a reverse proxy. Now I want to add another site that I built with SvelteKit for the landing page of the course. For that, I had to combine the two directives. It was a little bit trickier than anticipated, so let's look at how to do it. We start by creating a new domain block. Then we set the root of the file server to a directory. For me, this is the websites directory, and it contains multiple directories with websites. When I then use the directory name of one of the websites as a path, it will open the website. Next, we create a rewrite to have the path with a slash at the end. Now we create a matcher to determine which traffic to direct to WordPress and which to the other sites. In this case, we want to direct all traffic that is not on the course path to WordPress. If you have multiple sites, you can just append the other paths here after the not, as they are OR combined. We then use the matcher in the reverse proxy and then, lastly, define the file server to collect the rest of the traffic. Hello there! Do you want to learn how to combine the reverse proxy and file server directives in Caddy? In this guide, we will learn exactly that. We will start with an example use case and then learn how to do it. So let's dive right in.